We'll guide you through how to remove age restriction on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and perhaps you're finding you're unable to watch certain content. We're going to guide you through how you can go about removing the age restriction. There are different ways in which this can be done depending upon what you're facing. So make sure this full guide so you go and understand the different ways this can go and be done, as we're going to go and explain them. So don't go and skip anything, as otherwise you may go miss an important part. And without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So what first of all we need to do is, the first way is you can go and press U in the bottom right. That's going to go and bring you to this sort of page here. It'll give you a bit of an overview. And what you can then do is go and access the settings by coming to the top left and pressing on the gear or cog icon. Now what you need to do is actually come right to the top in the account section and find the option for general, and you want to go and tap there like so. Then what you want to do is you want to go down and find the option for restricted mode. And it says here, this helps to hide potentially mature videos, and so you are not going to be able to go and watch them. So what you want to do is go and turn that off like so. Now what you can do is you can come back and you can go and see if that has solved it. I recommend restarting YouTube, so you can go and swipe up on it like so, and then you can go and hopefully be able to go and access them. Perhaps you're finding the content is still age restricted and you are the correct age for it. Some content on YouTube is only for 18 plus viewers. So if you are 18 plus and you're still facing restriction, we'll guide you through how you can go and remove it. So we need to go and make sure our age is set correctly. It's likely it's set incorrectly if you're over 18 and it's still restricted. So come to the U page in the bottom right and press accounts in the top left. Go down and press manage your Google account. And then what you want to do is go and find the option for personal info. Come down and find the option for birthday and tap there. Then what you can do is press birthday and you can go and set it correctly. As I said, if it's below 18, be actually above 18, that's why. So make sure it's set correctly here. And then once it is, and you're over 18, then you should now be able to go and watch the content and it will no longer be restricted. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.